port with USB-C and USB ports to the left here, along with the 6 universal plugs that you're going to find on this outlet. So the first one we're going to do is the European port, a bit different than the US port. We're going to plug this in, make sure you turn on the power button here. Yeah, there you go. Next one that we're going to show here, we have the USB-C port that's over here. Like I said, make sure it's turned on. Nice fan. There we go. Next one we have is the actual US port that we have. We're going to plug this in just like we would with the other ones. It fits. They're all universal. And as you can see here, it's charging. And our last one we have is just a regular USB port. There's 4 USB-C ports, 2 regular USB ports, and it's charging. See? There we go. So to wrap it up, 6 universal ports for European ports and US ports, all with buttons at the bottom. We have 4 USB-C ports over here, 2 USB ports as well.